How do we write a fraction as a percent? Well, we can make an equivalent fraction out of 100. So if I start with the fraction 3 over 5, I can make it a fraction out of 100. Okay, and here I have a times 20 multiplier. There's my multiplying factor. So I use a times 20 to get the numerator. So here I'll do the same thing. Make a fraction out of 100. And sorry, the conclusion would this would end up being 100 or 60%. So 1 out of 5 represents a times 20 multiplier, so I end up with 20%. Here I'm going to multiply my multiplier to get 100% is going to be 12.5. So I'm going to do the same thing here, times 12.5. I end up with 37.5%. Now, another way we can do this is we can convert it to a decimal. We're going to look at the decimal percentage as well, but if we divide, we end up with a decimal percentage, and we can just multiply that decimal percentage by 100 to get our percentage as well. So there's more than one option to convert a fraction to a percent. So here I'm going to use my proportional equation of a times 25. I have a times 25 here, so I end up with 125%. To do the percentage for a mixed number is difficult. Again, remember that the mixed number has this implied addition. And addition and multiplication are not the same thing. They don't mix here very well. If we mix them, we have to be very careful. So instead of using a mixed number, we'll convert this into an improper fraction. Okay, it becomes 12 over 5. So two groups of 5 are going to be 10. Plus 2 gives me my 12. Then I make my proportion out of 100. I have my times 20 multiplier here and here, and I end up with 240%. For decimal